And I'm kind of going through these. You can take your time on your own time and go through them. I'm gonna look at a house and do research on one. If I see one that I like, or that would be good for rehabbing. All right, let me see. Okay. So click on this. Oh, I know why I can't see the date. I'm not logged in. You have to log in. Yep. All right. So let's go over this. These steps are on here as well. These are accurate steps. Step one, you're going to register and review Own It Now rules before bidding. View the properties by appointment if you want to view them in person. Budget your significant rehab expenses. What I just went over. Have a budget in mind. Step two, submit the highest and best offer. Selected purchaser will be contacted and charged for the deposit. You'll pay 50%. Close within 30 days unless seeking financing, like if you're trying to get it financed. Most banks won't finance that fee because it's so low. Rehab and occupy the property within 6 months. So it gives me the address. Let me see if they have more pictures. This is actually like a good house to rehab. Let's see, because the outside look okay, but we don't know how the inside is going to look. Okay. This is so far not too bad. Of course, I'll do that whole kitchen over. Towel. Oh, who's still by that type of towel? I'll do the whole bathroom over. Yeah. This is not bad. I'm actually going to save this one and come back and check out this one myself. Uh-oh, the garage. So is this the garage or the basement? I think it's the basement. Okay. Okay. This one is not too bad. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. All right. It says it'll be available for viewing. If you're in that state or area, should I say, you can view it. It's gonna go on sale April 24th. But you can schedule appointment to review. Okay. So say if I like this, right? I'm gonna take this address and I'm gonna do some homework. This is a property I was looking at earlier. Let me get the address in here. We're gonna check the property value. It says off market. It's like I said, it says off market. You see, it's not listed for sale yet, so that will change. Um, I'm hoping that 939 isn't it. We're gonna see. Like I said, this is another property I was looking at. Let's check. So you see, I'm looking at looking through Zillow and Trulio. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. Oh, I guess it's not available because as soon as you come up here, you're able to see the property value amount there as well. This is in 2010. Refinance payment, $6 monthly. That'd be the rent amount, $12.49 if you was to rent it out monthly. Okay, it's not here. Okay. I thought I was tripping. So the information is not available right now because they're going through the process to list it back for sale. So they took all that off. Okay, it says off market. Okay, so they took that off. But I can look at homes here in the area and see like this home sold for 25,000, 25,000, 138,000, say sold 12 months ago, 11 months ago. Okay. But you're always gonna do your research on homes before you even bid. I wouldn't, well, the bid is not open yet. I guess when the bid is open, they'll show. But once the bid open, I will check the value of the home. Say if I want to do a fix and flip. I know by total, if I'm spending 30K to rehab it, say if I purchase it for 5, that's 35, you know, 30,500. I want to make sure if I'm doing a fix and flip, like say if it's the value of it is 120, that'll be a good profit for me. But if I want to have it as a short-term rental and the property value says 20,000, I'll know going the short-term rental way or renting it out will be good for me for its profit, but it won't be good for me to be a fix and flip because it's not worth anything more than I spent. So like I said, on your own time, go through this you know, process and look for those in the state that you desire and do some research on them. I went through Trulidia and I went through Zillow. Do some research on them before you start the bidding.